Meaning of expiation.
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 Expiation. Expiation refers to the act of atoning for a wrongdoing or a sin. It involves acknowledging responsibility, expressing remorse, and taking steps to make amends for the harm caused. The result of expiation is a sense of moral or spiritual purification, in which the individual has achieved reconciliation with themselves, others, or a higher power. Expiation can be a personal process of self-reflection and growth, or it can be a public act of penance and restitution. In either case, it is a way of seeking forgiveness and restoring balance to one's relationships and inner being.